Hey everyone, let us now take a look at question number 41 of set B of JEE Mains 2018. The question is two sets A and B are as under. A is equal to A comma B belongs to R cross R, where mod of A minus 5 is less than 1 and mod of B minus 5 is less than 1. And B is equal to A comma B belongs to R cross R such that 4 into A minus 6 whole square plus 9 into B minus 5 whole square is less than equal to 36. Well, we have to find the relation between set A and set B. I can see that my A is actually given as mod of A minus 5 less than 1 and mod of B minus 5 less than 1. I can clearly see that my A is actually equal to, well, A greater than 4 less than 6 and B greater than 4 less than 6. Why? Because once you remove the mod sign, it will become A minus 5 greater than minus 1 less than 1, rearrange and you get A greater than 4 less than 6. Same goes for B here. Also for B, you can say that B is actually equal to 4 times A minus 6 whole square plus 9 times B minus 5 whole square is less than equal to 36. So B basically can be written as A minus 6 whole square by 9 plus B minus 5 whole square by 4 less than equal to 1. I can clearly see that B is basically restricted under this ellipse and A is restricted under this square. If you try to visualize it on a coordinate plane, well, you can see that this particular ellipse has 6, 5 at center. So let's say this is 6, this is 5 and this is 6. Let's make the center over here. And well, you can see that this will be 3, so it will be spread across 3 units on the x-axis. So let's say that this is at 3 and 9 on the other side. So this basically is what my ellipse look like. Let's consider that this over here is 7 and this over here is 3. So when you are solving this question in exam, I'm pretty sure you'd have already imagined like that the value of, well, A in case of B is between 3 and 9 and for B in case of B is between 3 and 7. But again, if you look at the values of A and B of the set A, they are restricted under 4 and 6. So over here you can say that this is where the values of set A will lie. You can consider this as 4, this as 6. Similarly, you can consider this as 4 and this as 6. Clearly, I can see that all the values of set A are restricted under this square, while the values of set B, well, they are all spread across this entire ellipse. So B is ellipse, I'll just repeat for you, and A is your square. Clearly you can see that since B, that is ellipse, contains all the values of A, it implies that A is a subset of B. So if you look at the options, you'll see that A is a subset of B is your correct answer. So I hope you guys have got it right. If you have the knowledge of graphs, then definitely you would have.
Explore more about the topics you love with Toppr. Subscribe now and keep learning.